Wake-up time just about 5:45. Let's get a check on your forecast and hopefully an interesting Monday set in store following an interesting weekend with all that rainfall. Good morning, Erica.
Good morning. A very wet weekend indeed.
Yeah.
I was just looking at some of the rainfall totals, and in the San Lorenzo Valley and the Santa Cruz Mountains, over 5 inches of rain this weekend.
Wow.
Santa Cruz, almost 3 inches of rain, 2 inches of rain in Hollister. Salinas Valley even saw over an inch of rain, which is pretty good for the valley location, which tends to be rain shadowed. So lots of rainfall totals, much needed, but unfortunately it did leave a path of some storm damage as well. So do be careful on those roadways this morning. This is the dominant cold front that moved through our area this weekend. We do have a low sitting right over us right now. That is starting to track to the south of us. So we are starting to see some activity in the Los Angeles area. So if you do plan on having any travel plans that direction, do be prepared that we are going to see some active weather in southern portions of our state throughout the day today into tomorrow. But this low leaves behind a very cold air mass. This trough will continue to hang out with us. And as you can see, these lines are very, very tight together. That indicates that we will continue to see some windy conditions today, as well as that low continues to move out of our area. And as it does, we're going to continue to see that cold air mass in place through most of the week. Now, we do have a ridge of high pressure that will start to build in tomorrow, mostly into Wednesday there. It's not really going to do much for our temperatures. It's just going to help clear our skies a bit. So we will see mostly clear skies. That's starting tonight. Now, we will have some lingering clouds out there, mainly for our higher terrain. So the mountains of San Benito County, the Santa Lucia Range, we could see some lingering clouds out there. But for the most part, and especially by this afternoon, we're going to be under mostly sunny skies. So if you missed that sunshine, some good news, it is coming back out for you. And then we're going to continue to see those clear skies as we move into tonight. With that cold air mass and those clear skies, that means our temperatures are going to fall pretty significantly tomorrow morning. So we're talking anywhere between 5, 10 to maybe even 15 degrees in a few locations. So cold temperatures are on the way, and we're not going to warm up throughout the afternoons. We're still going to see highs well below average for this time of year. Those clear skies will remain with us Tuesday into Wednesday. So again, we're going to see at least some sunshine to enjoy for the next few days, some calmer weather as well. As mentioned, we are going to see some gusty conditions at times this afternoon as that system continues to move out of our area, but we will start to see some calmer winds as we head into tonight, into tomorrow. Temperatures, again, still below average for this time of year. We're talking low to mid 50s across the Central Coast, 53 for Monterey, 54 in Salinas today, 56 in Watsonville, as well as Santa Cruz. Low 50s up in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and up and down the Salinas Valley will be in those mid 50s, with mainly 54 from Soledad down to King City, Hollister 54, Gilroy 52. So some of those northern locations will actually be cooler in our areas today. Again, lingering showers this morning, and then we're going to clear out for the next few days, see some sunshine. But with that comes some very cold overnight lows, and it will be possible we could see some patchy frost even along the coast Wednesday morning. Not tomorrow morning, but Wednesday morning. And then we will have some increasing clouds. We do have a little disturbance we are watching by the end of the week. We are watching the rain chances Friday into the weekend, but as of right now, those chances look pretty weak. Again, we're going to see some very cold temperatures, especially for our inland locations starting tonight into tomorrow morning. So frost and freeze is very possible for our interior locations for the next few mornings. Again, we have a little disturbance moving through. We will have some increasing clouds ahead of it, and we are watching the chance of rain, but right now looking pretty weak. So enjoy that sunshine for the next few days, and it's going to feel good with those cold temperatures in place.